Bambage sengivala 8 minutes before good to go morning team. When you read the book of Deuteronomy chapter 1 verse 6, you will find God ekhuluma no Israel. Kade sebehleli isikhathi eside entabeni uthi, you have stayed in this mountain for too long. It is time to break forth and move on. Babekade besuka eGibhithe kade behlunyezwe isikhathi eside base behamba ehlane edesert for so many years. Bafika entabeni kuthiwa iHoreb. Bayithola sebe comfortable entabeni yaseHoreb, bayitshela ukuthi iyona ndawo uNkulunkulu akababizele kuyona. Kuyenzeka ube sendaweni uzobe comfortable uzoyitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu la akubizele khona. Namhlanje kusena just wanna challenge you to move on. There is a greater place that God has called you to. There is something better uNkulunkulu akakubizele kuyona kulunyaka 2020. It's time to move on. uIsrael wayitshela ukuthi ilona Canaan leli ababizele kulona. And there was something better, there was something more. Wena usucompromise kakhulu na kuma relationships ubona ukuthi awasebenzi ngoba utshela ukuthi ikhona okukhona ikhona okungcono. But there is something more. It's time to move on. When usugcina abantu even kwifoni yakho abangakusiza make bakufonela nje ukhala inyembezi, it's time to move on. Delete those numbers and move on. You have stayed for too long. It's time to move on. So ubheke kakhulu abantu bancenga ukuthi abakusupport ibusiness lakho. No. God has something better for you. Move on. Move on manje, move on, move on, move on. Lokhu landela ubaba wengane ongafuna ukondla kodwa uyasebenza. Uyiphathise ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu, ufonela intombi ye boyfriend yakho lokhu uyikhathaza uyikhalisa. Move on sis. It's time to move on. Kade wa divorce kodwa lokhu ubusy. Uvusa izinto zakudala. Move on. 2020, move on. Lokhu kana ukuthi uyathakatha ufuna ukuyofunda uthi uyathakathwa. Move on. Hamba uyo apply uqala ufunde and graduate and become the first graduate again. Move on. Uyeke ukukhuluma ukuthi wakhulunywa amanzi amnyama phezulu kwegama lakho. Time to move on. Stand up, dust yourself up. Get up. Dress up. Show up. Never give up. Time to move on. This is the Mega Grace Hour on Vuma 103 FM. 2020 move on. Khona abantu kumele ba delete empilweni yakho ngoba make bakufonela uyakhala inyembezi. Khona abantu ngabadingi, delete those numbers. Uye kuba contact na WhatsApp, stop contacting them ngoba bakulethela usizi kuphela. This is the Mega Grace Hour. We are moving on. Asiphinde sibone futhi kusasa sengithi bamba sengivala. 5 minutes before good to go morning team. Asibone kusasa phakathi kwa 5 no 6 ekseni. Good morning KZN.